Most people start something with excitement, but they fail because they don't understand and they don't think about the future. Power belongs to those who see the full journey, not just first step. And this is what Law 29th of the 48 Laws of Power book teaches us. Hi, my name is Mohit Samaria. I welcome you on my YouTube channel Mohit Experience. In this video, I am explaining 29th law of the 48 Laws of Power book that teaches us why long-term thinking protects you from mistakes, conflicts, and surprise. So make sure you watch this video till the end, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button because this is what I will keep doing until unless I explain every each law of this book in my videos. And if you want to get free PDF of this book, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram because I can't give you free PDF on YouTube. So you will have to follow me on and send your DM. So the 29th law of the 48 laws of power book, that is play all the way to the end. This law says that when you decide to do something, before doing, you should think ahead, not just how to start, but how things might end. Because most people focus on results, success, and reward, and they avoid future problems and long term consequences. But powerful people think differently. They imagine best case study, worst case study, and obstacle in between. And because of this, they rarely surprised and they stay calm when others panic. Planning doesn't mean that overthinking. It means being aware of where your plans may lead you. Let me tell you in simple word. Whenever you are doing something, so try to do everything you can do. But before doing, think about future. I know we shouldn't think about the future much, but if you are doing something, you should think how things might end because you don't know what will happen tomorrow. But if you can prepare yourself for next and for future obstacles, you will have improved yourself and you will be able to walk in your way. This is what this law says. Let me give you an example. Let's say there is a person who accepts a job offer because salary is high and he doesn't focus on results, growth, and office environment. But after 1 year, he feels trapped and unhappy. But second person accepts a job offer not because the salary is high, but he understands the office environment. He understands the growth and results. This is what this law says. When you see the future clearly, you move with confidence. So this was the 29th law of the 48 laws of power book. And if you also want to read this book, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram and send me your DM. I will see you in the next video.